what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. In today's video, I want to talk about what should I do with a $100,000 bonus that I just received from selling my Ferrari 458. I'm looking to invest that money, but I'm not sure quite what I'm going to invest it in. So I'm going to go through 4 scenarios, and then I want you guys to drop me some comments down in the comment box. Let me know which one you think I should pull the trigger on. Also, before I get started, man, I'm back here in my backyard. My home is on a nice wooded preserve, which is pretty cool, man. So beautiful place to be. The weather is gorgeous, and man, just grateful to be able to be in a situation that I'm in because of investments that I made, financial investments I made, you know, over the last 20-25 years. The first is I could use the money to actually buy another supercar, and I've been thinking about potentially an Audi R8 V10 Plus. So take the cash, go buy a new supercar, put it in the garage. The second option is I could take the 100 grand and put it in real estate. And what I would actually do with it is that I would probably go ahead and buy a 4-unit small apartment complex. And I'm thinking in the area I live in, obviously the best location is a must, but I could probably get about $1,500 a month in rental income per unit, and that'll be about $6,000 per month or $72,000 a year. And we're looking at about 30% for expenses. Obviously I would have debt service. I would still be able to have a real nice net profit, and over time that $500,000 small apartment complex would appreciate in value over the next 5 years. So I think that would be a pretty solid investment on my end. Like I said, a 4-unit would be real nice, and I think the rental income at $1,500 per unit will be perfect. So that's option 2. Option 3 would be to actually buy some individual stock. Even though you guys know I'm not a big proponent of buying individual stock, I think though with Tesla it's a little bit different. I've been doing my research on Tesla, and I know Tesla is the leader when it comes to electric vehicles, right? And I believe, you know, based on my research, Tesla is not even close to reaching its full potential yet. It's still in super growth mode, and I think I could take the 100K, put it into Tesla stock, and just make it a long-term play, maybe 5 to 10 year play. And I think based on history, Tesla's history, I could probably double or triple and maybe even quadruple the money over the next 10 years. So go from 100 to 400 over the next 10 years based on what I think Tesla will be able to do from a growth standpoint. So that's the third option. Now the fourth option would be go to my bread and butter, which is take the 100K and put it in ETFs. You guys know I buy ETFs on the Vanguard platform, and it's been wonderful, right? I have 5 ETFs on the Vanguard platform that I really like and that I invest in. So I could certainly take the 100K and just dump the money in those 5 ETFs. Let me tell you what those 5 are again. It's VOO, which is a S&P 500 ETF, VTI, which is a total stock market ETF, VCR, which is a consumer discretionary, basically a large retail products and services type companies are in that particular ETF. You also have VHT, which is a healthcare ETF. So you got your large companies like Johnson & Johnson, Pfizer, companies like that, Merck Pharmaceutical. Those are some of the companies in VHT. And then I would round it off with the fifth and probably my favorite ETF, which is VGT, which is a information technology ETF on the Vanguard platform. And you got companies like Apple, Amazon, you have Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, so some of your largest information technology companies are in VGT. So those are the 5 that I really like on the Vanguard platform, and those are the 5 I would put the 100K in if I decided to go with option 4. But yeah, I'm just trying to figure out what I really want to do. Obviously, I'm a big car guy, so you guys know I currently have a 2013 Mercedes SL 63 AMG. I've had that car for almost 3 years. It's fantastic, super fast, hardtop convertible. I also have a 2019 Porsche 911 GT3, which is, you know, it's a track car for the road. I really have a lot of fun in that car. And like I mentioned earlier, I did have a 2015 Ferrari 458 Italia. Do I go ahead and pull the trigger on a Audi R8 VTM Plus, which is something that I really like. It's on the same platform or the same engine as the Lamborghini Huracan, but I just think I like the styling and the everyday drivability of the R8 over the Huracan. I would love to have an Audi R8 in the garage. Now what I would do though is I would sell the SL63. I would keep the GT3 and I would add the Audi R8 if I go with option 1. And then again, you know, the small apartment building 4-unit is attractive just because of the instant cash flow. Obviously you got the capital appreciation associated with it. It would be a solid investment. It really would be. Probably I would buy a $500,000 4-unit, put 100K down, which is 20%, and the bank would finance 400K for me, and I'd keep that property for the next 10 years and just collect the cash flow, pay down the mortgage with the cash flow from the rental income, and then obviously get about 4% appreciation every year on the actual property itself, and it'll be a solid investment. Can't go wrong with that one. And then I believe Tesla, of the 4, in my opinion, has the most potential to be a home run. Plus, you know, putting the money in Tesla is a 100% passive investment. I don't have to worry about toilets and tenants. And then last, probably the one that I'm more familiar with is the ETFs, because, you know, that's where I got a big part of my net worth is in ETFs and index funds on the Vanguard platform and on the Merrill Lynch platform. So yeah, what do you guys think? Drop me some comments. Let me know what I should do. Give me your opinion. I'm curious to know of the 4 choices, which one you guys think is the best choice. Now obviously I'm an investor. I'm a smart guy when it comes to my money. I know cars are depreciating assets and all of this stuff. I get that, guys. But when you get to where I'm at in my life, where I'm a retired guy, worked hard for 20-25 years to get to retirement and do the things that I love to do, which is making YouTube videos and meeting with you guys one-on-one in the coaching sessions through my company. I'm not concerned about depreciation. You know, really, personal enjoyment means more to me at this stage. Me putting 100 grand into an Audi R8 is not going to affect my financial situation one way or the other. So keep that in mind, you know, because I know I'll get the comments, why would you put money in a depreciating asset? You could buy da. I get it, guys. I'm right there with you if I was in the building stage of wealth. Since I've already gotten to the enjoyment stage of wealth, I can take money and put it in depreciating assets and it not affect my lifestyle or my income, right? So again, let me know what your thoughts are. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to the channel and share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. And guess what? I'm gonna catch you guys on the next video. Look at this beautiful view, man. Wow, look at that. Very nice, huh? All right, guys, peace. Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom, whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.